Assume that Newton's law of cooling to be valid. The temperature of body changes from 60 to 40 in 7 minutes. Temperature of surrounding being 10 degrees Celsius. Find its temperature after next 7 minutes. So in this question it is given that temperature of body changes from 60 degrees Celsius to 40 degree Celsius in a time of 7 minutes. The temperature of surrounding is given as nothing but 10 degree Celsius. So again temperature is going to decrease. Our aim is to find out what about the value of change in temperature after 7 minutes again. So let's say after 7 minutes temperature of object becomes equal to T. Now we can apply Newton's law of cooling, that is dT by dt is equal to constant into temperature of object minus temperature of surrounding. So in the first situation, difference in temperature is 20, 60 to 40 divided by time taken for, that is 7 minutes, is equal to a constant into temperature of object. Here we need to take the average value. So it is 60 plus 40, 100 divided by 2. So 50 is the average value. So we can write it as 50 minus temperature of surrounding is nothing but 10. Now in second situation, the difference in temperature is 40 minus T, because we assume that the final temperature is T, divided by time taken is 7 minutes, is equal to a constant into, over here we need to write the average value. So average value is going to be 40 plus T divided by 2. So instead of T average, we can write it as 40 plus T divided by 2 minus the temperature, we can take it as nothing but 10. Now we can divide these two equations. So the 7 and 7 get cancelled. We can write it as 20 divided by 40 minus T as equal to, the C get cancelled, 50 minus 10, we can write it as 40 divided by, over here you can write this as 40 by 2, which is nothing but 20 plus T divided by 2 minus, we can take it as nothing but 10, or further we can write this 0 over here, or and this 0 over here get cancelled, this 2 and this we can take it as nothing but 2, or this 20 minus 10 is going to be 10. So you can write this something like 1 divided by 40 minus T is equal to 2 divided by, on denominator we can write it as 10 plus T divided by 2. 20 minus 10 is nothing but 10. Now we can just cross multiply. So it is 10 plus T divided by 2 is equal to 2 times of 40 minus T. So we can write this as 10 plus T divided by 2 is equal to 40 into 2, that is equal to 80 minus 2T. So we can write the value of this 2T plus T divided by 2 is equal to 80 minus 10, which is equal to 70. So we can write this as 4T plus T, that is 5T divided by 2 is equal to 70. So we can write the value of T will be equal to nothing but 70 into 2 divided by 5, which is equal to 28.